Do you want to hide your Instagram story from someone? In this video, we'll show you how to hide your Instagram story from someone, giving you complete control over who can view your content. Whether you want to maintain your privacy or simply want to share your stories with a select group of friends, this video has got you covered. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices, so just follow my steps and let's hide the story from someone. I'll open my Instagram app and then go to your Instagram profile. When you are on your profile, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and a menu will pop up, so you want to open the settings and privacy option. When you are on this page, scroll a little bit down until you can see the Who Can See Your Content section and then tap on the Hide Story and Live. Then here one more time. And now just select an account from which you want to hide your Instagram story. I'll hide it from this account, and now this person won't be able to see my Instagram stories because they are hidden from him. And you can hide your story from as many people as you want to. And you can unhide them at any time also. Just go in here and uncheck the account. And that's how you can hide your Instagram stories from someone and protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, then leave a comment down below and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.